Find a comfortable place to sit and close your eyes. Imagine you are sitting on a quiet hillside near an old oak tree. The morning light casts long shadows into the valley below. Take 3 slow deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. You feel the coolness of the morning air on your skin, the gentle warmth of the sun on your face, and smell the fresh morning dew. The breeze shifts slightly and the leaves above you rustle. A small bird swoops down past you and with a short chirp is gone. You can feel the rhythm of nature surrounding you, the buzz of the bees in the flowers, the sound of the sheep in the distance. The grass splits into 1,000 different shades of green as the sunlight dances and shifts across the landscape. The breeze carries with it the faint smell of the flowers in the meadow below. You remove your shoes and place your feet firmly onto the damp grass. Tighten up your toes and feel the grass between them. Your hands are on the ground and you feel the firm connection with the earth below them. You find yourself in a positive mindset. You realize that you are strong and capable, and that today is a great day and that you can achieve your goals. You feel a sense of calm and peace settle over you. You can feel the earth's pulse beneath your hands and feet, its strength, its energy drawn up into your body, its power infuses you. You know you can go through your day with a positive outlook on the world. You now feel energized and ready to tackle your day. Take a deep breath in and release. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Stretch out your body, knowing that you can enjoy your day, knowing you can accomplish your aims for the day, and that beauty and opportunity are all around you. With each day, your ability to have a meditation habit increases. Well done, and remember to join us tomorrow. Have a great day.